Hey guys, I'm 𝗙𝗲𝗿𝗄𝗧 with Butler Automotive Group, and today I have the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Edition with me, and I want to talk today about some of the features that are really cool about this car for people who may be looking for an off-roading vehicle. Maybe they're thinking about a Jeep. Here's some reasons why the Ford may be a better car. So one of the things that I really love about this Bronco Sport too that's kind of neat is you've got your glass button right here. You press that and you can just open the glass window, and then here is of course for the trunk. So let's just go ahead and open the trunk. Like I said, this is sort of a general comparison to the Bronco versus Jeeps in general, but for this particular stat I just wanted to share that the Bronco has 38.3 cubic feet of trunk space. As you can see, it's pretty big. We had suitcases and boxes and everything. We took a road trip in this car, and we still didn't really have to use the back seat. We had plenty of room left over, but like I said, the Bronco has 38.3 cubic feet of trunk space. A Jeep Wrangler is 31.7 cubic feet. So if you're looking for more space, the Bronco is the way to go. And so you would just lift up that back panel, and there you go. You can be driving along and have the wind running through the back of your Bronco. Okay. So as you can see right here is the GOAT modes, and GOAT stands for go over any trail. So as you turn these buttons, you will see that it changes to different driving modes. So it's really easy to use if you want to do some off-roading. So I will change over to the driver dashboard so you can see as it changes the modes while I change this. If you look right here, you'll see the different driving modes. So as I change the button, it'll switch. So that's normal, eco, sport, and here's where it gets fun: slippery and sand. I think it would be so fun to take this Bronco off-roading. So a couple of things, if you are considering the Bronco or a Jeep, a couple of the things about the infotainment that you might want to consider. There is a slower lag time with the Jeeps. They have the Uconnect system versus the Sync 4, which they use in the Bronco. Especially if you have a couple apps running, the Uconnect will be a little bit slower. There's just a bit of a lag time, so if that's important to you, you may want to consider the Bronco. Also, the Bronco comes with the over-the-air updates. The Uconnect does not, so you'd have to download updates or take it into a Jeep dealership for the updates. So those are a couple of things that you might want to consider. If you are leaning towards a Jeep, the Bronco may be a better choice. The other thing I've heard is that the voice commands that are available on the Jeep are not as intuitive as on the Bronco. So again, if you're into the technology and that's important to you, these are some ways where the Bronco is superior to a Jeep car. In recent years, J.D. Power and Consumer Reports have rated the Ford Bronco as having better reliability than Jeeps. Jeeps are known for their transmission issues, they're known for gearbox issues, and the repairs, not only are they more frequent, but they're more costly than a Ford Bronco. So if that's something that would bother you, paying more for repairs, more frequent repairs, then you may want to consider the Ford Bronco as opposed to a Jeep.